Today, I will demonstrate how easy it is to upgrade to custom bags on our platform by designing a child-proof 28-gram Mylar bag. First, you can upload your logo file directly to the platform as a PDF, an EPF, or an Illustrator file. There is also a library of preloaded shapes and symbols on the platform to choose from that you can add to your design. I will be adding the standard Canadian THC warning symbol to my bag design now. To add a background color to your bag, select a rectangle from the Clip Art tab, and then choosing the Shapes category, expand it to cover the whole design surface. By using these tools on the right panel, select the color option and choose your color by using the color wheel or add a color code. You can flip or rotate shapes or send them backwards or forwards in your design. Repeat this step to add your brand color to the back panel of your bag. Lastly, I'm going to add a small message on the back of the bag. By using the text option, you can format your message to your liking. Once I'm happy with my design, I can press the 3D view button and see what my bags will look like as a finished product. This bag has been designed with extra room underneath the logo and THC symbol to fit a sticker label including lab test results, strain information, standardized warnings, and so on. All I have to do is add my finished product to my shopping cart and voila! I have designed my own custom Mylar bags.